everyone, today I'll be showing you a trick you can do with a Rubik's Cube. So, first I'll just be showing it to you, showing it to you normally, and then I'll show you in steps. So as you can see, I did a few steps and now it's back to normal. So now I'll teach you how to do this. The first step is go to any color and turn this side up. Then the other side has to go right. And then turn this side down. Then this side again goes right. And then that you have to do it 5 times. That's 1 done. Now we do it 4 more times. Up, up, right, down, right. Up, right, down, right. Up, right, down, right. Up, right, down, right. So that's 5 times. Bye.